Welcome back. We're going to take all of the same context that we have generated within this one conversation in order to generate a content starter for a message to affiliate marketers to promote the product that is now being released. And so we're going to give the chatbot some context, and we're going to ask it to write an email to our existing affiliates. So now to undertake this, we're going to make sure to give the chatbot as much context as we possibly can. Once we do that, we're going to click enter, and what we're looking to get is a content starter, even if we choose not to use the entire email written to us by Chatgpt. We're now going to click enter. And we have been given an error message, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy this information, and we're going to hit the F5 button. And we're going to come back, and we're going to try to repaste the same information. And we're going to hit enter to see if our query is going to be answered. So what you'll see is that you have a good content starter with good sales messaging that you can massage for your individual use to send to your affiliates. And that ChatGPT uses the context that we have created in the entire conversation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.